Alright guys, so you're welcome to this edition of my tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your webmail from your cPanel. Now if you're going to create your webmail from your cPanel, the first thing you need to understand is that you need to buy your domain name and hosting from your domain registrar, and after you have done that, you receive a mail from your domain registrar concerning your username and your password. So after you have collected that information, or after you have gotten that information, all you now need to do is to go on your website, to go to your cPanel information or your cPanel logins, where you have all of this information, your tools, the billing and support and files and so on and so forth under your cPanel. Alright, so this is my own cPanel as it stands now, and I'm going to walk you through on how to create your webmail in just less than 5 minutes. You understand, we are going to be done with it in less than 5 minutes. Now my name is Adeola Deus. I'm a website designer, a digital marketer and a coach. So let's get started in this tutorial. So I'll click on email account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. I'll click on create, and then I will select the the domain I want to use. So for me, I'm using more than one domain inside this cPanel. So I'll enter my username, so I'll call it support. Alright, then I'll enter a password I would love to use. So I'm going to use okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do after I've entered my password, I'll click on create. So it's generating my email. Awesome. So this email has been created. You can see it now. This is it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on check email. I'll click on check email. And then I'll click on open. It doesn't take time like I told you before. So I'll click on open. So after you have done that, the next thing you are going to do right now is to click on this particular one here. It's a default email that they usually send, but just click on it to read the message. So it's not really compulsory you do that, but just click on it so that you know that you have cleared one inbox. So after that, you go to your settings. You click on identities, and then I'll click on this particular one here, and then I'll remove this display name here and change it to Glimpse Royal Dynasty. Then my company name is Glimpse Royal Dynasty. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on save. I'll click on save. So I've been able to save this email, this identity as Glimpse Royal Dynasty, meaning that if a mail is to be sent to any company now or to anyone, the name that will display on the email or and the person's recipient's email or inbox rather is going to be Glimpse Royal Dynasty. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on I'll click on this create a new message here. I'll click on create a new message. It doesn't take time, and then I'll forward a mail. Let's say I want to send a mail to, let's say, this brand, this person here. Then my subject could be proposal, yes. Then I will just attach a file and say, hello, I need quotation for your solar installation. Can you see that now? So the next thing I'm going to do, I can decide to attach a file. So you can see that you can also attach a file, like an official file, you understand, to send the to the recipient. All right, I haven't done that. Now I'll click on send. I'll click on send, and you can see that it's showing sending message. So after that is done, the receiver will receive the email probably in his inbox or spam, under spam messages. Alright, so let's check our inbox now. Let's check if the message comes. So I'll go to Gmail. Alright, let's see under spam message whether we receive any information there. Spam. Awesome, you can see that the name that displays here is what? Glimpse Royal Dynasty, and the subject of this email is proposal. So if I click on it, now, you see it now, support@glimpsemedia.com.ng. Now I can report not spam. So the moment I click on report not spam, any further email coming from this webmail will be appearing under my inbox. Okay, so I'll just click on report not spam, and then you find this message under my inbox here. You find it in my inbox, so you can see that I've moved to my inbox right now. So this is just how to create your webmail from your cPanel, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find the video helpful, you can click on the like button, and also remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. My name remains Adeola Deyus, a website designer, a digital marketer, and a coach, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.